Due to YouTube and the COPPA laws, if you are under the age of 18 and are watching this video, please stop now. This content was not intended for you. Hey everybody, it's TMIKA and I am here with an Alina Cutle unboxing. So I'm going to go ahead and share with you what I received for this month's design team project. And as always, I will have the links down below in the description box for the products that I mentioned in this video. So let's get started. I grabbed one of these brushes. I see a lot of people using them for distressing and smoothing out ink on their projects. So I believe this is the second one that I have. I would like to just have a collection of them so I can have different colors, but it is so heavily, it's very dense. And yeah, I can see that just sliding and gliding on quite smoothly. So what I'm going to do is label this. I should be able to tell what color it is by here, but just to make sure I have the right colors, my most commonly used colors, I'll start as I'm collecting these, and then I'll have a label here so that I can know what this color is. I also grabbed some of these clear crystals in these little jars, and they are great for shaker mixes and pops of like little crystal on your project. They're like diamond shaped or teardrop shaped, so really cute little addition and sounds to your project. So I grabbed 2 of these. Also grabbed some iridescent pink shaker mix. It's iridescent, but it does have like a pink flake to it. Very cute for Christmas and really small. They're flat and they're tiny, so I grabbed some of these. I also grabbed some iridescent in pink. Very cute color. Really, really nice. Again, they're flat and they're small, and it's right up my shaker mix alley. So I grabbed one of these as well. I grabbed the Pink Memories. It's the color, and it's Oxide ink. So it should be able to do the same things that you would do when you need to add water, resist, and that type of stuff to it. So it'll be exciting to play with this. I also grabbed the Reinker for it, just to be sure. I'm going to go ahead and crack this open. I am looking for storage options for my growing ink collection. So if you guys have some, definitely throw them down in the description box. I'd love to know how you are storing. Or if you have a picture, I posted it on my Facebook group, on my Facebook page. And you can just leave a picture there. I'd love to know. So really cute pink, and it's saturated all the way around. Nice heavy ink base. So really, really nice. That just snaps right on here. Really cool. So that's called Pink Memories. I also grabbed it in this really pretty Blue Dome Routes. So I'm going to go ahead and open this one. These are 2 of the colors. There's a large selection of colors that you can choose from. Look how pretty that is. This is giving me Robin's Egg Blue. Really, really cute. I also picked up the Reinker for that as well. So that's what I'll start adding to my, design team requests are these and these here, so that I can start having those on hand for all of my color families. So I also grabbed some foil. These foil, I'm so happy that Alina put these on here. And I know a lot of people were getting confused as to what foil goes with what, if it's a if it go a diamond, if it's a laminator, I mean not heat press. Well, yeah, heat press, but not that one. If it's laminating foil, if it's hot foil press is what I meant to say. So this one, she added designed to be used with laminator. Yes, plus green light check, like whatever language you speak, it's on here. And then it says not compatible with hot foil systems, hot foil quill, or other compatible hot foil systems. No, X, thumbs down. So I love that she did that. And I got this in this gorgeous red, great for like holidays. So I know that I can use this with my laminator, as well as this one. This is a laminating foil, a really pretty white. I grabbed this laminating foil in this really cute iridescent rainbow color. And this is a gorgeous gold. So pretty. These little tubes. Look how pretty this gold is. It's not shiny, it's not brassy, it's not orangey. It's gorgeous. Again, to be used with the laminating system. And then this one is the opposite, designed to be used with hot foil systems, hot foil, quill, or other compatible hot foil systems, not compatible with laminating. And again, I got this in the red. So depending on what project I want to do or what I have available is what foil I'll use. So I grabbed that in the red, and then I grabbed this one, which is the same, compatible with hot foils, and it's this really pretty gold. I've used this in another Christmas project. Sorry, my phone got cut off. So what I was saying was I did this on several other projects. It's really cute and sparkly with the little specks of stars or snowflakes you could use them for. So really cute. I try to grab these when I can, so that when I run low, I have them available. I also grabbed a stamp. I saw this on the site and I thought, okay, I definitely have to incorporate some of these cute little sayings on here. So she has let it snow somewhere else. So sarcastic. Merriest Christmas. Merry Christmas. Believe in the magic of Christmas. This one says fresh cut Christmas trees, complimentary hot cocoa. This one's really cool. Baby, it's freaking cold outside. So that's what it is. That's the kind of stuff that we're facing here in Minnesota. I think we're about a good 18 degrees maybe right now, which isn't horrible. We've endured colder, as you guys know, but it's still freaking cold. All right, so I want to move over to some paper. I ordered the Feeling Merry 6x6 paper pad. There are 12 different designs, and there's 2 sheets of each design. When I saw that Alina had them in the shop, it was one of my requests to have this Christmas paper because it's Christmas time. So this is the color palette of the 12 sheets of paper that are in here. They are single-sided, but you do get 2 each of the designs. So if you need, you know, an extra sheet, or you want to even flip this on the back side of each other, you can do that. Just going to flip through these designs quickly here. Really pretty pastel-y color palette for this one. And it's kind of a muted, you know, not a sharp or harsh pink. And, you know, there's a mint. There's this aqua color. It has doses of hot pink. You have your greens, your creams. So it does have a nice variety of colors in here. So this would make a really cute little, you know, grandma, grandpa type of a photo book. This is a nice bright green, nice and festive. Friends and family, little small photo album that you can use to create something cool with this. So again, this paper collection is called Feeling Merry 6x6 single-sided, 2 each of 12 different designs. Really cool. I did go a traditional route, and then I grabbed this collection, which is called Just Merry, or Just Merry by itself. Again, with the same specs of 6x6 paper pads, single-sided. This is giving me more of my traditional colors that I look for, or that we all look for in our Christmas coloring. Although I like to stick more to neutrals with pops of color. But we all love a burlap and a plaid and a houndstooth. We're all looking for this. Really cute. We got some wood feels. It's a nice pad. It's a nice masculine pad as well. We're running into some grays. We like the buffalo checks and these harder colored dark greens like forest greens. So really cool traditional paper pad. This is called Merry. 12 different designs, 6x6 single-sided paper pad. I also grabbed a non-Christmas paper. This one's called Goodnight. And I thought it was so adorable to grab this one. This is a geared toward like a baby book or something, or a scrapbook layout, or some baby shower cards. But that's what that looks like. I absolutely love this moon page. So pretty with these cute little stars. I like the woodland creatures. They say lovely in between them letters there. There's a little crown We have a peek of a little floral. Nice muted colors, yellow, blues, greens. It does get into a little bit of the pink. This is a nice, pretty lavender polka dot paper. There are these moons again. That is so cute. I love those. You got some hearts. You can even save a sheet for that for Valentine. And we have some more little animals and then some cute stars. So really, really cute, versatile paper. This one's called Goodnight with, again, the same specs of the 6x6 single-sided 12 sheet as the rest of the paper collection. So that's what I got from Alina. I hope you guys like what you see. I have the links down below in the description box for your convenience. You can just click on those and go directly to the product that I'm talking about in this video. Do me a favor, if you like this, or you like me, or you like just life in general, click the like button and let me know what you think in the comments down below. All right, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.